check out your food. What? You still waking up, pumpkin buns? Alright, this is me making my coffee. I use heavy whipping cream, and I just use a separate cup and pour a little bit of that in. The cupcakes are not something I normally have in the house, but it was Spencer's birthday, so I had gotten cupcakes. So that's not something that you'll typically see in my house, not something typical I have in my house. Now I'm going to add my stevia. Oh, it's upside down. Let me turn that around for you. There you go. So I'm going to add the stevia to my cup. And then I'm going to add my syrup. And that's what I use. The glazed donut is what I chose for the day. Of course, I can't open it with one hand, so I'm going to open it and then I'll pour it in there. And then I'm going to get my frother, and I'm going to froth that up so it's nice and kind of thick. And I keep frothing that until I get it to the thickness that I want it. And then I'm going to weigh myself. My weight's been fluctuating. I was 173 yesterday, and today I'm 175. So it does fluctuate. It just depends. Honestly, it just depends on the day. But anywhere from 173 to 175 is typically where I'm at. So now I'm going to grab my coffee now that it's done brewing. And I'm going to add my whipped cream to that. Good morning. Today I am going to take you guys along with me. Boy, I'm a mess. I just woke up. I haven't even touched my hair, but I'm going to take you along with me. I'm going to sit you here at my computer so I can get some things done, but I'm going to take you along with me. I have some errands to run. I'm going to go pick up some prescriptions at the pharmacy. I want to go look at some personal development books at the bookstore, and I'm going to go to Walmart. I got to get some treats for my girl. So, I got up, I've made my coffee, I weighed myself, I've just sat here and did my calendar for the day. I have a class starting tomorrow. For right now, it's just one class until, I think it only goes until September or something. And I just got my GPA from summer, and it's gone up. So things are just moving and grooving. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just sitting here drinking my coffee and doing my computer work, and I'm getting a little bit of a jump start on my science class, and gonna check my stuff on YouTube. And that's pretty much what we got going on. I'm just going to take you with me throughout the day. I'll put some makeup on so I don't scare everybody for the rest of the day. And so next time you see me should be when we're getting ready to go to the store, because it's already 10 o'clock. So I'm going to get moving. So, all right, I'll see you soon. I am at Books A Million. We don't have like a Barnes and Noble or anything, so I'm going to go in here and see what they have for personal development, and then I'm going to head over to Walmart. So I'll probably tape a little bit in the store. All right, that was a bust. Books A Million has no like sale racks, and their books are like $20 to $40 a piece, and that's just out of my price range. I mean, let's be honest, I'm gonna do this on a budget. I like to read, but it's gonna be budget friendly. So off to Walmart, and if I don't find anything at Walmart, I will order from Amazon. So there's that. I don't even, and a lady in there was saying she doesn't know how they even stay in business, because $20 a book was out of her price range as well. I mean, when you just want to read a book, you don't want to, my God, I'm not asking for a class on it. I don't want to keep, you know, I like to share my books, but I don't want to, you know, my God. Anyway, okay, enough of me complaining. I will find books. I don't know where, but I will find them at a reasonable price. So, all right, well, here we go. We're going to drive just right, Walmart's at the end of this plaza. All right, I ended up at Target. Walmart had the smallest little book section ever. I got a little vlogging light. It has the light and it has a thing to hold your phone. $5. Got it in the dollar spot, the Target dollar spot. And then I got two books. I got Calm the Bleep Down and Be a Work in Progress by John Cena. So their books were at least 30% off. So that was a good deal. At Walmart, I got some pens, and I got some doggy bones for the girl, because she ran out. She loves those, especially in the evening. She likes to have, I gotta move my purse. She likes to have her a bone in the evening, so that's what we got. So now we're going to head home, and it is a little bit after 12, and we're going to put this stuff away and do a few things around the house, and then I'll be making lunch, so stay tuned. Hey guys, well, it's 1 o'clock. I am home. I'm having lunch. I'm having some spicy, dry Italian sausage. And then I'm going to get some things done around the house, and I'll be back. Guys, okay, well, we're later in the afternoon. I've had my dinner. I made a shrimp taco with a Carb Smart, I'm looking at Pandora, sorry, with a Carb Smart, oh my God, tortilla, cheese, shrimp, and lettuce. It was so good, and sour cream. So I had that for dinner, and just kind of chilling out. I'm going to take Pandora for a walk here soon, and we're just going into evening. I've just kind of been relaxing a little bit. Pandora took a nap, and I watched some YouTube videos while she took a nap and relaxed. And, oh, I think she wants to come say hi. You gonna come say hi? You gonna say hi? You gonna say hi to everybody? Say hello. I's a good girl. Okay. So, we're just chilling out and just relaxing. She wants to go for a walk. I've said the magic word. Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Oh boy, here we go. Okay, so we're going to go for a walk, and then we'll check in with you when we get back. You ding dong. Come on. Atta girl. Walk nice.